Good day, everyone. So today I will explain what is DevOps. DevOps is a cultural philosophy, a set of practices, and a collection of tools that combine with software development, which is called as Dev, and the IT operation that we know as Ops. The main goal of DevOps is to deliver application and services faster, more reliable, and with greater stability. In simple words, DevOps help developer and operation team work together smoothly using automation and collaboration to speed up the entire software process. Alright, why is DevOps important? It's important because it allows for faster software delivery, better teamwork, continuous improvement through the feedback, and a higher quality software with fewer. So in short, DevOps means building better software faster and build it together. That's all from me.
So,
Thank
the
you.
DevOps lifecycle is often conceptualized as an infinite loop to emphasize the continuous nature of software development and operation. So, these are the lifecycle stages. So, first is plan. So, the DevOps will obviously define the goals, features, and requirements first, and then they can finally write the code and compile the code into a deployable artifact, and then they will test the artifact, making sure there's no bug, and after that they can finally release and deploy it. After that they will do an operation by managing and maintaining the production infrastructure, and finally they can monitor and gather all the feedback from users to create
For CI/CD pipeline and automation tools, there is five stage, and the first one is source, where developers will write code and push it to the shared repository using GitHub or GitLab, where it will detect changes automatically. Then the next stage, code is compiled and packaged into deployable format using Jenkins or GitLab CI. This is where the dependencies are installed, but if the build fails, it stops immediately and notifies the developer. Then it automatically runs test cases where it will check for errors or vulnerabilities. This will ensure new code doesn't break existing features, and it will be done using JUnit, Selenium, or Vitess. If tests pass, the system automatically deploys the app to staging environment for final testing or production environment for end user. This will be done using Docker or Terraform. Lastly, after code has been deployed, monitoring tools such as Splunk, Datadog will track system health, log, and performance. And if an issue occurs, alerts are automatically sent to the developer.
Hello everyone, today I will explain the difference between DevOps and traditional models. The first one is DevOps focused on collaboration between development and operation. In DevOps, both teams work together throughout the software process. This adds improve communication speed and problem solving. Next, traditional model work in separate silos, no teamwork. In traditional method, developers and operation teams work independently. This often causes delays and misunderstanding during the software delivery. The third point is DevOps uses continuous integration and delivery CI or CD for faster updates. This automates building, testing, and deployment processes. It allows developers to release updates quickly and frequently with fewer errors. Finally, traditional models have slower releases and manual testing. Traditional approaches rely on manual testing and step-by-step processes. This makes software delivery slower and increase the chance of mistakes. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Next is benefit. First is speed. It enables us to release a feature faster and more frequently, accelerating time to market. Second is quality. It creates higher quality and more reliable software through continuous testing and smaller incremental update. Third is collaboration. It breaks down to build a collaborative culture of shared ownership between teams. Fourth is efficiency. It dramatically increase efficient and reduce costs by automating manual processes from code to deployment. Next is limitation. First is culture. Its greatest challenge is overcoming culture resistant to change and breaking down traditional team. Second is skill. It requires a broad set of new skill, creating a significant training and hiring gap for many organizations. Third is cost. It demands a substantial upfront investment in new tools, automation, and cool infrastructure. Fourth is governance. Its high velocity can complicate governance and compliance, requiring automated policy enforcement.